Okay, today I'm going to give you a demonstration on our Mafell parallel guide set and how to set it up and how to get the best uses out of it. So with the Mafell parallel guides, you will receive two track adapters, two stop blocks, the fixings for the stop blocks, the extrusion, joining bars, connector blocks, screws and Allen keys. The kit is available in a Systainer set with the relevant foam cutout and Systainer. It's also available in a kit on its own without the Systainer. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the blocks together that connect to the track. So you receive two joining bars, they're very similar to those, and you just need to remove two of the grub screws that come with it. And placing them upside down, line them up with the holes, and loosely attach the screws. Okay. Yeah. Like so. With one of your tracks, slide it in your extrusion and butt it up against the adapter plate there, and then you can tighten up the screws. They don't need to be fully tightened at the moment, as you need to calibrate them. Like so. So you receive the thumb screws with the T-nuts attached and with the washers. So what I'm going to do is to undo these and slide the T-nut into the track. Like so. And using the left hand on the left hand side, attach the stop block. And same again for the right hand. So with the first set of extrusion that's attached, you will get an approximate cut of around about 495mm just using just the one piece. What I'm going to do now is attach the two adapter blocks with the track, and to do that I need these two thumb screws for securing it. Like so. With your track, whether it be a Mafell or a Bosch, you can slide these into the track, like so. I'm going to ensure the screws are loose on the track adapters, like so. Using a Benchdogs ruler, I'm just going to close these gaps up here and secure it down. As you can see, these are all freely moving, allowing us to calibrate it. So we've set our stop blocks at 250mm. So I'm going to put that on there, move the ruler to the end of your cutting strip, and lock one of them down to secure it. Now I can freely move the other one to the exact position and lock this one down. There, your parallel guides are equally calibrated. Remember to nip up the other screws, and that's your parallel guides calibrated to your track. So now they're all calibrated, let me demonstrate how we're going to use it on cutting a piece of timber parallel. So I'm going to flip this over, like so, and using a bit of timber, in my case I'm using a bit of oak, place that on the bench that you're working on, move it to the outside of your workpiece, then move it in. I've still got ours set at 250mm. You can reach in with your fingers and then lock down your thumb screws. with your material placed underneath the stop blocks here. That is where your point of 250mm is. That will allow you then to make your cut and give a parallel cut. So if you need to do longer parallel cuts, you can attach the extensions of the parallel guides. So in this case here, I'm going to use this section here, and to do that you require the 2 joining bars for each side. Slide this in on the underside to about midway, and using the supplied Allen key, nip up the 2 grub screws, like so. Slide that into the other extension piece, and using the connector block, place that over the 2 joins, and nip the 2 grub screws. And using the connector block allows the track to stay parallel together. Once you've connected both of the tracks together, go to the underside and tighten up the other 2 grub screws. Adding those 2 extensions allows you to do cuts up to 825mm. With the further extensions, you can do cuts up to 1155mm. So there you go. That's a demonstration on how to put our parallel guides together and how to calibrate them. The parallel guides can be used for small pieces as well as cutting down large sheets. It's endless to what you can do with them. It all depends on the length of your track. As long as you've calibrated them correctly, cutting down large sheets shouldn't be a problem. And you can find our products on our website at benchdogs.co.uk. You can see the title here. Thanks for watching.